Everyone says AI will replace human jobs. I know it's already 20% of human jobs will be replaced by AI. But one thing make me cry is AI can replace software engineers who write the code to build a AI. It was like a joke, but today topic is I went to one website. I went to track my activities and achievements and how many videos I put on my YouTube. So and engineering studies. I went one website to track all my activities. So I just asked to ChatGPT. I went to a website. What can I do now? And ChatGPT tell me suggest me Emergent AI to build a website in 5 minutes. I'm literally shocked because AI can build a website in 5 minutes. That's awesome. And I copy that prompt and put on Emergent AI. You know, guys, literally unbelievable. It's almost working. It's fully website working. You know, and it's a home section. And here is my and this is all my courses to provide the students and and this is my profile and this is my achievements. um, I I earned Google's cloud certificate ML engineer and video profile and how many videos I put there. This is a section store, and in this section you can store in future which course you buy, which course you learn, and you can it's like a wish list, and it's about me, and it's a login logout section. And you know one thing, when I going to buy the courses, click on this, it's almost worked, guys. You know, 80% of work is done now. I think I went to I analyzed the code and I went to replace some APIs like a UPI and ask, you know, even one chatbot also provided by AI. This is the next level of AI. But future is there is no human jobs will do. There's the only one farming. I don't know farming. One day AI can do farming also. So what do you think about this? I think you need to build some websites, and it's a deploy options also. But I don't want to waste the credits, so I don't want to deploy. Uh, you really want to build something new? You can use AI tools like Emergent AI, Cursor, ChatGPT. Don't waste your time by writing a lines of codes. So thank you. Subscribe for more content like this. See you tomorrow.